How to use stickers and GIF on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use them. First of all, open the application. So basically, all the stickers and GIF are used in a message or in an inbox. Now, you can simply tap on the inbox that you want to chat or send stickers. So this is the interface that will pop up. Here on the bottom, you can see this sticker-like icon. Simply tap on it. So all the stickers will be available here. Here on the right end, you can see another icon. Simply tap on it. So this is the GIF one. So here you'll be able to find different GIF that are available. So here you can even directly search for them and customize it. So simply tap on the one that you want to send and it's all set to go. So the GIF has been sent. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.